This is Kelly.
And I'm Mark.
We're the Traveling Duo.
And we have another unboxing for you guys. This here in the mystery box is a light ring for Kelly's camera. So if we're taking pictures inside, or we can use it for the vlog camera too if we're inside and the lighting is really, really poor. We'll be able to snap this onto any of our cameras. It fits on the hot shoe, plugs into the camera, and we'll be able to increase the lighting that we have in any situation, whether we're vlogging or taking some up-close pictures. We really purchased this for our upcoming cruise in October, so that when we're in the cabin and if we're doing some vlogging and we're talking to you guys with the camera, you can see us really well, and we don't have to rely on like the really poor lighting that's in a cruise in the cruise cabin. So let's take a look at it.
Yes.
All right, so here's our plain Jane white box again. So let's take a look at our handy dandy light ring that we ordered from Amazon. There'll be a link below if you want to order it from Amazon. We have a link. We would love it if you use that link for us. All right, so here's our little instruction manual. And it just shows how to get everything set up, how to use this light ring.
Oh, it's a Nikon.
Yep. All right, and then so here is our light ring here. Now the cool thing is that this actually has some different ways to actually hook this up, but it's got the piece here that goes onto the hot shoe. And what's great is this is not permanently attached to this, so you can hook it to the camera and actually set it off to the side, angle it, and angle it, and be able to get a lot of different lighting effects without it being just right on top of the camera, and that's what's really cool about it. So so this shows it here, how it can be set and adjusted, and then this fits on the front of your lens, so you would just clip it right on like this here onto the lens, and then you would actually have your light that comes out from the front. And you can use different settings, flash, standard light, all that kind of stuff with it as well. So that's pretty much it. Pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. Kelly, grab your camera and let's hook it up and show them what it looks like on the camera. All right, and then all these rings here, these are the adapters that you put on the back so that you can have it fit to different size mounts, which is handy dandy. So it'll work pretty much with any camera, and it gives you the size, like this 77 millimeter here. You want to use your new lens on there?
I have your lens here. They're all different sizes so they can fit your camera. This Nikon takes a 77 millimeter. Sorry about that, guys. And then once you have it on there, what you do is you press these little buttons right here on the sides, squeeze it on there. It's on there good. I usually recommend leaving the wires. You can have them on the top or the bottom, whatever your preference is. You want to turn this way so it's facing you. And then you can turn it on. So then you have the brightness. You can choose which one you want because there's different kinds to choose from.
Yeah, so you can choose what, left or right, and you gotta make sure that you have this like straight like that if you're gonna do left and right, so that it has the left and right light on there.
Yeah, you have different options to choose from, and then you also have the light that chooses the different levels that you want to do too. You can go from full to half. So you can go from one level all the way up to the top. And go all the way down to where it's off. And then you have the option to also put this at the top of your camera, right here, instead of having it down here. It's up to you. So I'm going to show you some features. I'm going to take this off of the camera so that you can see everything that's on the back side of this.
And so we don't forget to, it didn't come with any batteries, but you're going to need 4 AA batteries that go in this pack here. So we'll give an update later of like how long those batteries last.
It's pretty cool. It does take your 4 AA batteries. So it's not hooked up to the camera at all. You have to use it from here, not from your camera. So keep that in mind when you're using the ring.
Yeah, and this is hopefully going to help us light up when doing some vlogs or taking pictures in dark situations to give us a little extra light. So, and you can use it independent of the camera, like Kelly just said, so you don't even have to put it on the camera to use it, and it'll give you some extra light in like a small area or something like that. I believe your camera will control the flash if you have it turned on flash, because it's got the hot shoe part. So when you click the flash on your camera, it should.
And you probably have to have it on this.
Right? Yeah, I'm sure.
And then just use the hot shoe for it. Yep. So, and it has a 1-year limited warranty on it. It is a Nikon product. It really isn't it's a digitalinc.com, and it's a Nikon. It's a digital NC. We bought this for $99, and this was the best one that I found on Amazon. And I wanted to make sure I was getting the best one so that that I wasn't going to get something chintzy. So this is the one that I found that was pretty good. So I do like it. It seems to be pretty bright, so I do like it.
Yeah, should be good. We'll have a link of it to Amazon on Amazon below, so if you want to check it out and get one for yourself, definitely do that. We'll give you some more unboxings as we get some new products and kind of upgrade our arsenal of camera equipment. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please check out our other unboxings as well as our daily vlog videos. That would be awesome. Come check us out over on Facebook at The Traveling Duo 2. We'll see you later.
Peace. We hope you liked that video.
And if you did, give us a big thumbs up. Also, give us some comments down below if you'd like to continue the conversation. And please share this video with someone else that may possibly like it. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. Hit that little bell so that way you get notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, have a great day. We'll see you guys later.